What if I told you that you've been using Suno AI all wrong? Most people see Suno as a music generator. You give it a genre, you give it some lyrics, and you get a song. Simple. But that's only scratching the surface. The key to unlocking this incredible power is sitting right in front of you, inside one simple box, the style box. And today I'm going to show you how to go beyond making music and start directing performances. You can follow along and try these yourself. Let's dive in. First, let's try creating a fantasy creature, a classic, the Goblin. To do this, we need to be very specific and descriptive in the style box. We will type this. This combination of prompts forces Suno to abandon its default pop star training and dig into a completely different kind of performance. Now for the lyrics. We'll use production cues to make sure Suno knows exactly what voice to use. Copy and paste this into the lyrics box.
Tiny hands and crooked grin. Whispers echo through the din. Potions bubble flames alight. A human guest arrives tonight.
Hear that? It's not singing, it's performing. You get that wet, disgusting, guttural tone. Next, let's sail the high seas. Creating a pirate is one thing, but creating a drunken pirate requires directing a state of being, not just a voice. We need the AI to sound unsteady, slurring its words and full of that messy, grog-fueled confidence. In the style box, you need to describe the performance. Remember, the V5 model loves descriptive prompts. And for the lyrics, let's write lines that a pirate would say while intoxicated. The rhythm should be a bit off, and the thoughts scattered. Here we go.
We yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. The world keeps spinning, is that the sun? Me treasure map, it's all a blur. Another round, ya scurvy cur. Hey! Ooh,
Yes, we have got that pirate voice well enough. The drunken vibe is there, but it's not overly exaggerated. Now for something completely different. How do you create a voice for a character who is often silent and defined by their presence? A masked killer like Michael Myers or Ghostface isn't known for their monologues. Their sound is all about atmosphere, breathing, and menace. In the style box, we'll focus on creating a soundscape of dread. Muffled voice is the key to making it sound like the character is speaking through a mask. Breathy and heavy breathing tell Suno to make the sound of respiration the main focus. For the lyrics, we'll use them to create sound effects and a chilling atmosphere. The words are minimal, and the focus is on the sounds in brackets.
I see you. Found you.
Wow, that is just like a pure horror film. The menace of the voice was chilling, and Suno just didn't generate a voice. It has created an entire horror scene. This is sound design, not songwriting. From the past, let's jump straight into the future. We're going to create a classic, monotone robot. The key here is to describe its mechanical nature. In the style box, type monotone and cold, remove the emotion. Slightly stuttered and mechanical articulation tell Suno how to deliver the words, choppy and unnatural. The lyrics should reflect this personality. We'll even add some robotic sound effects.
System online. Initialization complete. Zero. Processing data. Calculation. LED. Target acquired. Projector reset. In-game. Drunken. Zero. Repeating sequence mission on stage.
The result is a voice with flattened syllables and that signature robotic stutter. Sounds quite chaotic in general, but would be perfect for robot techie intros. This is the trickiest one, and it's a great test of Suno's limits. Can you create a voice that sounds like Donkey from Shrek? The short answer is no, but kind of. Suno is designed to avoid directly imitating specific copyrighted characters, or the voices of famous actors like Eddie Murphy. If you type Donkey from Shrek into the style box, it will likely give you a generic result. So we have to use a workaround. We need to break down the qualities of that voice and describe them to the AI. What makes Donkey sound like Donkey? He's a fast-talking, high-pitched, energetic, and slightly whiny sidekick. In the style box, we will type that. For the lyrics, you have to write in the character's exact speech pattern. Make it frantic and full of questions.
Are we there yet? I gotta pee. Can we stop for waffles? Please, this is gonna be fun. We can stay up late swapping manly stories. And in the morning, I'm making waffles.
Of course, the result won't be a perfect one-to-one imitation, but it does have homage to the character. Just like that, you can almost create any character voice you like, as long as you can describe their essence in words. Okay, now you know how we can create character voices in Suno AI, but here's something that I know you guys are genuinely interested about: sound effects. As for now, Suno does not have an official feature for creating sound effects. I hope it will come in a future update, and when that day comes, it will take the whole media industry by a storm. But until then, we can work around with prompting to create some sound effects for our songs. The trick here is to use square brackets to give a performance command, followed by a phonetic spelling of the sound. For example, we can add a laugh effect by specifying it in the prompt. For this, we will use our exact same comedic prompt as before and type this at the end.
Are we there yet? I gotta pee. Can we stop for waffles, please? This is gonna be fun. We can stay up late swapping manly stories, and in the morning I'm making waffles.
That's awesome, right? Now remember, Suno is an AI tool after all, so these are not going to work 100% of the time. But prompting properly gets you a better probability at receiving the desired outcome. In this case, you should try to use matching lyrics and vibe to align with the desired sound effect. This time, let's try a sinister laugh.
I see you. This will be your end.
Another example, screaming effect. Yes, we can add this in square brackets. Let's type a matching set of lyrics and type rock, as in the style box, to complement our screaming.
One day I will be the one to rule the world.
This is a superpower that 99% of people have not unlocked yet, but now you have. Suno isn't just a music model, it's a performance model. So go on, open up Suno and start experimenting. Thanks for watching, and you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what characters you're going to create. I'll see you in the next one.